This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Hairston. Charming 3-bedroom townhome in Great Bridge. New LVP flooring throughout. Fresh paint, open floor plan. Large first floor bedroom with separate access to hall bath. Fenced back patio with storage shed. Cathedral ceilings in living area. Upstairs loft can serve as bonus room, office, or playroom. Your choice. No smoking inside. Cats allowed with additional $300 deposit and $35 pet rent/monthly. Sorry, no dogs, firm. Available now. For more information, review the details below or contact Hairston at 757-481-8480.